Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you've ever wondered how to create stunning wedding invitations right from your computer or phone without any fancy design software, then you're in exactly the right place. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to make beautiful personalized wedding invitations using Canva for 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to design and download your own invites, ready to share with your friends and family. Let's jump right in. So first things first, let's head over to Canva. If you haven't used it before, Canva is a completely free and incredibly easy to use online design platform. Just open up your web browser and go to canva.com. If you haven't already, I suggest creating a free account. It'll let you save your designs and come back to them later, which is really handy, especially if you want to make tweaks along the way. Next, once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right for a button that says Create a Design. Go ahead and click that. Now in the search bar that pops up, I want you to type in wedding invitation. You'll see that Canva automatically pulls up a range of beautiful ready-made templates specifically crafted for weddings. This step is important because instead of starting from scratch, you're getting a professionally designed foundation that instantly makes your invite look polished. Now take your time to scroll through the templates and don't rush this part. Think about your wedding's theme, maybe the colors you're using or any style you're aiming for like classic, rustic, or modern. Click on the template that fits your vibe, and if you're not sure, you can always preview a few until you find the one that feels just right. Remember, you're not stuck with what you pick right now. Canva lets you customize just about everything. Here comes the fun part, modifying the details. On your selected template, you'll see placeholder text, things like the wedding of Jane and John, dates, locations, RSVP details. Click directly on any text box to edit it. Type in both of your names, your ceremony details, and anything else you want your guests to know. If you need to adjust the font style or size, just use the toolbar at the top. And don't forget the little details, double-check spellings and dates. You can also move things around, add extra text boxes, or even include little icons or illustrations that make it uniquely yours. If you want to change the color scheme to match your wedding colors, just click on the background or any element to update the colors. Take your time here. The more personal touches you add, the more your invitation will feel like it truly represents you as a couple. Once you're happy with your design and everything looks perfect, it's time to download it. Look for the download button usually near the top right of the Canva screen. Click that and Canva will suggest a file type. For invitations, PDF print is ideal if you plan to print them, or you can use PNG or JPG if you want to send them digitally. Select your preferred format, then hit download. Give it a moment, Canva will get everything ready, and your invitation will be saved to your computer or phone. And honestly, that's it. You've just created a beautiful, personalized wedding invitation all by yourself using Canva. How easy was that? Don't stress if you want to make further changes. You can always go back in and edit your design anytime. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions about using Canva or designing invitations. I love hearing from you all. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Wishing you an amazing wedding planning journey, and I'll see you in the next video.